Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can set up Hey Google on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Google application. And after we have our Google application opened, we can go to our profile. Click on this profile icon on the top right, and here you need to open the settings. Okay, and here we have some options, and since we want to set up Hey Google, we can click on the Google Assistant or Hey Google and voice match. Okay, right here we can click on the Hey Google and voice match, and if we want to activate our Google Assistant or Hey Google feature, we can click on this button and just wait for a moment. All right, and you just need to follow the instruction right in here, then you can click on more option. All right guys, and that's how we can set up Hey Google or Google Assistant on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.